Imagine if you could snap your fingers and have AI handle your most tedious tasks in seconds. Well, buckle up, because that future is here. This week saw monumental AI breakthroughs that will revolutionize how we work and live. I'm talking world-changing stuff from the likes of OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and more. But first, did you know big companies are wasting 20-plus hours a week on repetitive tasks like image editing? That's where game-changing AI tools like Runway's new Frames generator come in. It creates stunning, photorealistic images from just a text prompt, cutting design time by 90%. I'll show you exactly how it works later. Now, let's dive into the top AI news that should be on your radar. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, just released their new operator platform. It's an AI agent that can browse the web, book reservations, order food. Yep, it'll do all the annoying life admin for you. Google's DeepMind also unveiled Gemini 2.0, an AI model that scored up to 75% on math and science benchmarks. That's better than most humans. It uses advanced inference computing to carefully reason through problems step by step, just like we do. This has huge implications for fields like drug discovery and material science. Not to be outdone, Anthropic, the startup behind ChatGPT rival Claude, secured another $1 billion in funding from Google. They're using that cash to build AI with constitutional AI principles baked in from the start. The goal? Make AI systems that are safe, ethical, and aligned with human values as they grow more powerful. But here's the story that shook the AI world: the Stargate Project. OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank are joining forces to invest a staggering $500 billion over the next 4 years to build mega AI infrastructure. We're talking supercomputer clusters that make today's systems look like pocket calculators. Stargate's ambitious mission is to cure diseases, solve climate change, and ensure American leadership in AI. But some, like Elon Musk, are raising concerns about the project's true intentions. Could this much computing power in the hands of a few tech giants be dangerous? It's a critical debate we need to have. In other news, Adobe is bringing AI magic to its Creative Cloud apps. Imagine being able to search through terabytes of video footage with a simple query like, "Find shots of a red canoe," or auto-translating your video captions into dozens of languages. That's the power of Adobe's new AI-powered creative tools. For you developers out there, Perplexity AI just launched Sonar, a new API that combines natural language AI with real-time web search. It's like giving your apps an instant knowledge upgrade. And Anthropic released a new citations API that can provide sources for the info its models return. Huge for building trust in AI systems. But get this, you don't need to be a coder to harness AI superpowers. Tools like Runway are putting AI in the hands of creators and businesses. Remember that Frames image generator I mentioned? It uses stable diffusion to create images with just a text prompt. The quality is mind-blowing. I prompted it to create a mystical wolf howling at a blood moon and an anime wizard casting a spell in the desert. The results looked like they were straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Seriously, I'll pop them up on the screen now. Stunning, right? The best part? You can try Frames yourself. No technical know-how needed. Just use the link in my description for an exclusive 7-day trial. No credit card required. I've also put together a starter guide with my top prompt engineering tips. That's yours free when you sign up. Frames is just the tip of the iceberg. Runway also released Green Screen, an AI tool that can erase the background of any video with a single click. No more hours wasted masking and rotoscoping. For video editors and VFX artists, it's an absolute game changer. But Runway isn't the only company making AI accessible. Krea just launched a new feature that lets you train custom AI models in real time. Upload a few dozen images of anything: your products, your face, your pets. Krea will spit out a model you can manipulate and animate in 3D. The creative possibilities are endless. And if you're a TikTok addict, get this. ByteDance, the company behind the app, just released its own AI code assistant called Trey. It's like GitHub Copilot on steroids. Just describe what you want your code to do in plain English, and Trey will generate it for you. It even explains the code line by line. These are the kinds of tools that are democratizing AI, putting the power of machine learning in the hands of everyday people. No PhD required. But as AI gets more accessible, we also need safeguards to prevent misuse. That's why I was disappointed to see President Trump revoke the AI Bill of Rights this week. It required companies to assess the risk of their AI systems and share safety test results with the government. Removing this oversight opens the door for AI to be deployed recklessly. We need sensible AI regulation, not a free-for-all. But Trump seems more concerned with winning the AI race at all costs. At Davos, he declared his intention to make America the world capital of AI and crypto. Meanwhile, China is pumping out powerful open-source AI models like DeepSeek that match the top US models. The global AI arms race is heating up, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Will we develop AI responsibly, with robust testing and oversight? Or will we cut corners in the rush to market, unleashing half-baked models on the world? These are the critical questions that will shape the future of AI. But I want to end on an optimistic note because despite the risks, AI is already being used for tremendous good. This week, Yale researchers unveiled an aid that can predict heart failure years in advance using just a simple ECG scan. It could save millions of lives by catching the disease early when it's far more treatable. And that's just one example. With tools like Runway and Krea, artists and entrepreneurs are using AI to accelerate their creative workflow and bring their visions to life. Developers are building smarter, more intuitive apps with language models and API. And mega projects like Stargate could yield breakthroughs in everything from clean energy to quantum computing. So yes, there are risks and hard problems to solve. But the potential upside of AI is staggering. We could cure diseases, reverse climate change, and expand the boundaries of human knowledge and creation. We just need to be thoughtful and responsible in how we develop these systems. And on that note, I want to hear from you. Are you excited or concerned about the breakneck pace of AI development? What do you think are the most important considerations as we build more powerful AI systems? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of the latest AI news and tools, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to turn on notifications. I'll be back every week, cutting through the hype to bring you the most important AI developments. And don't forget to grab your free trial of Runway and my bonus prompt guide using the link below. Trust me, once you experience the power of AI-assisted creation, you'll never go back. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious, my friend.